The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Sullivan County in central New York, east central Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 12:15 p.m. At 11:39 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Damascus, or 12 miles northeast of Homedale, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated location. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Callicoon, Portville, and Fosterdale around 11:45 a.m. Jeffersondale around 11:50 a.m. Whitehall Springs around noon. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the close of a substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This kind of thunderstorm is capable of creating tornadoes and widespread significant damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to a interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeat, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:50 p.m. for the following counties: Sullivan, New York, and Wayne, Pennsylvania. Until 12:45 p.m. At 12:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hazel, or 9 miles northwest of Liberty, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated location. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage